Looking for a simple, nutritious meal for your little one? Let's make this delicious toddler rice. For this recipe, I'm using sweet potato, carrot, red bell pepper, and green peas. I start by washing the vegetables thoroughly under clean running water, then chop them into small toddler-friendly pieces. I like to keep the pieces quite small so that they can cook evenly and become nice and tender. Potato will add a lovely natural sweetness and help give the rice a soft, creamy texture. The sweet potato adds a lovely natural sweetness and we also help give the finished rice a soft, creamy texture. The carrot and the red bell pepper add beautiful color, while the green peas add another lovely texture to the meal. Take your time while preparing everything. Make sure the vegetables are properly washed and cut into manageable pieces for your little one. Once all the vegetables are prepared, we are ready to move over to the stove and start cooking. Now that everything is prepared, let's start cooking. Add a little olive oil to your pot and followed by the carrot and red bell pepper. Cook them gently for a short while to begin softening the vegetables. We are not trying to brown them, we just want them to start becoming tender. Honestly, one thing I love about preparing food for little ones is knowing exactly what is going into their meal. Simple ingredients, beautiful colors, and nothing complicated. Now our sweet potato goes in. Give everything a good stir and let those vegetables get to know each other inside the pot. Sweet potato is one of my favorite parts of this recipe because as it becomes soft, some of it will naturally break down and give our rice that lovely soft and slightly creamy texture. Next, we are adding our washed rice. Mix it gently with all those colorful vegetables. Look at that pot already. Carrot, red bell pepper, sweet potato, and rice all coming together, and we are only getting started. Wondering where the exact measurements are? Don't worry, I've got you. Now add water to it, and please remember, when you're cooking for your own child, always consider their age, what they can safely manage, and any food or allergies you already know you need to avoid. Find the exact measurement and full recipe on Diary of Merit Living through the link in the description below. The water is in, give everything a gentle stir, cover the pot and let it cook on low heat. We want the rice, sweet potato and vegetables to cook slowly until they are nice and tender. Keep an eye on the pot as it cooks, and if the rice needs a little more water, you can always add some. At this stage, we are just giving everything time to soften beautifully before we add the remaining ingredients. Look at how beautiful everything is coming together. The rice and the vegetable are already becoming nice and soft. Now it's time to add our green peas and cooked chicken. Since the chicken is already cooked, we are adding it towards the end so it can warm through without becoming dry. Give everything a gently stir and make sure the peas and chicken are well distributed throughout the rice. I'm adding just a little more water here because I want the rice to soften further and everything to finish cooking evenly. Now cover the pot and reduce the heat as slow as possible. My larger burner was still giving me more heat than I wanted even on the lowest setting, so I moved the pot to my smaller burner. At this stage, gentle heat is all we need. We want the rice to cook slowly and absorb all the remaining moisture without burning at the bottom. Now that everything is fully cooked, I'm gently mashing the rice and vegetables together while they are still warm. I'm not trying to make it completely smooth, I just want a softer texture that's easier for my little one to eat. The sweet potato helps everything come together beautifully while we still keep a little texture in the meal. Just keep mashing until you're happy with the consistency for your little one, and then our meal is ready to serve. And here we have it, a soft, colorful and delicious homemade meal for your little one. I love how everything came together and the texture is exactly what I wanted. Soft, moist and still with a little texture. Make sure you allow your little one's portion to cool to a safe temperature before serving. Please click on the subscribe button for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in our next video.